If you want to learn how to do your own manicure at home, then this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll show you what tools and polishes are needed so that anyone can do them themselves with ease. Water marble is one of the coolest ways to get creative on your nails. It might look messy, but with liquid tape, you can get rid of the excess polish in seconds. The final look you can get on your nails is simply a piece of art. If you're not into water marbles much, check this out. With the right nail plate and polishes, you can achieve the manicure of your dreams. All you need is to set free your creativity and experiment with different colors and patterns. You'll be amazed at what results you can get. To do marbles, you can use different ways, and this is one of them. It's so easy and satisfying to do. There is not so much excess polish to wipe off. And the final look is to be amazed at. There is yet another way to do a marble look. This time, we're trying the dry marble. Apply base coat and attach the tri-layer on top. Cut the excess pieces with scissors. This manicure will surely turn many heads. We hope you found yourself in one of these fabulous nail looks.